Welcome to the presentation on the digital divide. In this section, we will explore the concept of the digital divide, its causes, consequences, and potential solutions. Understanding the digital divide. The digital divide refers to the gap between those who have access to information and communication technologies, ICT, and those who do not. It encompasses disparities in internet connectivity, computer access, and digital literacy. The digital divide can have a significant impact on individuals and communities. Factors contributing to the divide. Several factors contribute to the digital divide. One major factor is the lack of infrastructure and internet connectivity in rural and remote areas. Additionally, socioeconomic disparities play a role, as lower-income individuals may struggle to afford devices and internet services. Educational barriers, such as limited access to technology and digital literacy training, further perpetuate the divide. Cultural and language barriers can also impede access and engagement with technology. Consequences of the digital divide. The digital divide has significant consequences. Those without internet access face limited opportunities to access information and knowledge, hindering their ability to find up-to-date information and educational resources. It can also lead to reduced educational and employment opportunities, as individuals miss out on digital skills and online learning. Moreover, the digital divide worsens social and economic inequalities, marginalizing certain groups and communities. Bridging the digital divide. Bridging the digital divide requires collective efforts. Governments can implement initiatives to expand broadband infrastructure, improve connectivity in underserved areas, and provide subsidies for low-income individuals. Digital literacy programs play a crucial role in empowering individuals with the necessary skills to navigate technology. Public-private partnerships can leverage resources to bridge the divide, and community-based initiatives, such as establishing community centers with technology access and providing training, contribute to digital inclusion. Thank you for joining us in this discussion on the digital divide. We hope you found the information valuable. If you enjoyed this presentation, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Together, let's work towards bridging the digital divide and creating a more inclusive digital world.